of class 9C would like to share my thoughts on an important topic of saving trees. Save trees to save earth. This principle should be implemented by everyone. Human activities have led to an immense damage to Mother Earth, including deforestation. After this ISC activity, we researched on the countries like India, China and Brazil, how they were suffering from deforestation and what were the steps that they implemented for encouraging afforestation. I would like to thank Principal Ma'am for giving us this opportunity by which we could share our thoughts, and this opportunity increased our global knowledge. Thank you.
I want to share some views upon the deforestation. As we all know that deforestation is increasing in the world day by day. To overcome the deforestation, we should plant more and more trees that will be useful for our coming generation. So at end I want to say you that deforestation destroys the habits of the animal, which leads to their death. Thank you.
I am Gurnaz of class 10th in Sacred Heart School, Moga. I am here to share my views on the things I've inculcated after being a part of the great ISA activity, essay writing on the topic Save Greenery and Scenery, Save the Motherland Earth. We've been cutting so many trees and focusing on the beautification by constructing bridges and tall buildings. But let me remind you that those buildings are not there for us to help us sustain, to provide us oxygen. It is only the trees and the greenery around us that will help us breathe, help us live. So, let's not cut trees for beautifying the surroundings. Let's plant more and more trees to live a long, healthy and prosperous life. 4 countries: Brazil, India, Malaysia and China. Talking about these countries, we all know it very well that these countries are the 4 most suffering countries from the act of deforestation. People in these countries are cutting as many trees as they can for beautification and to attract the people for tourism. But can we think of the citizens of these very nations? What are they going through? Can we come up? Can we stand up and take the initiative and help these countries, especially our motherland India, to do the act of afforestation to help the citizens of their very own country to live, to sustain a better life, a life with good and healthy amount of oxygen instead of dying because of the deforestation around us. So Brazil, India, Malaysia and China, these countries are though trying their level best to implement afforestation, but can these countries alone do that? Can the political leaders of these countries alone do that? No, this needs the involvement of the citizens from ground one to help the political leaders, to help the initiators do better and better, grow more and more trees. So let's take a pledge. Virtually, we can join hand in hand to save our motherland. Thank you.